morning to televiewers. Good morning to people in my country, Cameroon. My name is Emmanuel Pengho, and I am here in New Delhi, India, in this hospital called the BLK Hospital. And I came about to know this hospital on Google when I had I've been having some problems with my left hip leg. I've been having this problem for so many years, 10 years, and most oftenly I couldn't do my normal activities due to the pains, severe pains that I used to have on this leg. And sometimes I can't even walk, I can't sleep in the night, so much pain. So I started looking for solutions, and I went online and I started searching for a solution. So I got to know about this hospital. And through the internet, I met one agent called the Monks. So they were the ones that took over the charge to assist me come to New Delhi. So when I came here through this agency called the Monk, it is an agency that works with the hospital. They are working together with the hospital. It's like they are mostly in charge to negotiate, to arrange for international patients that wants to come here for better treatment, and they will help you to get your papers ready, get your documents, help you to see the doctor also very fast, and you receive your treatment also very fast. So they did that, and I arrived here, I think it was on the 15th of July. So when I arrived here, they sent a vehicle to pick me from the New Delhi airport. Firstly, I went to the hotel for I think it was 1 day or two. So she arranged for me to see the doctor, the orthopedics, and I was brought to the hospital. So when I came here, that was on the 16th, I met with the doctor, Dr. Bhushan. So he asked me some few questions, and I talked to him. He said, okay, he needs to get down to the matter. So he asked me for a scan. And when I brought the scan, he was so baffled. And he told me that I had really a serious problem with my leg, that the leg had really been damaged. So he asked if I've ever gotten an accident. I said no. He asked if I've fallen or anything. I said no. The pain just came up like that. So he asked where I come from. I said I was from Cameroon. So he was also surprised, because it's like many Cameroonians don't know about this hospital. Because normally as I'm here now, I think I'm the only Cameroonian. I saw people from other African countries. But to be candid, this is the best place to be if you have your problems. They are not only dealing with bones, they have other sections, your eyes, transplant, heart transplant, kidney transplant, liver. They do also a corneal transplant, which is also something very interesting. And then when the doctor saw the scan, he said, no, we have to do you a hip replacement. So I said, okay. And what good is that? The nice thing is that they were not that much in monetary issue. They wanted to get the job done. They want to get you treated. So immediately he requested for some tests to be done. And the next day, on the 17th, I was in the theater for operation. So they got my left hip replaced. And to be candid, right now, I feel like I am being healed, because the pains I used to have before, I'm not having that pain again. The pain of the problem I had before, because before I could not close my legs together or open my legs even half an inch like this. I couldn't. But now you see, I can open even with the surgery just 4 days ago. You see, I could open now my legs very well, and I feel like the only pain I'm having now is the pain from the operation, from the surgery, which is going to go off. I'm feeling some small stiffness now, and I believe maybe it's because of the swollenness of the leg, and I've been well treated here also by the staffs. The nurses have been very good. The nurses have been very kind. They come here all the time. They take good care of me. And each time I have a problem, I just need to press my magic belt. This is my magic belt here. When I press, and in 5 seconds, you have a nurse beside you asking you what is the problem, and the problem will be solved immediately. So I thank this hospital very much, and I thank the MedMonks agency for making me know about the BLK. And I just wish that many other patients out there, especially those that are having problems with their bones, because this is a new threat. Because for me also, when he showed me the scan of my leg, all the bones in my left hip damaged, I have never had an accident before. I became scared. So this is something that happened to somebody else. And I even see somebody on Facebook having the same problem, but on both legs. So I thank God that I have it only on my one leg. And I pray that this should not happen to anybody, because I went through hell of a pain. And I believe that I'm going to be free now, because I could even feel much energy now coming onto this my left foot. Because before, this left foot was already losing strength. Sometimes when I want to enter my car, when I enter and sit, I have to use my hand to carry this other leg and put inside the car. That is to show you that the leg already was losing its strength, and it was becoming smaller and becoming softer. So I could feel that the muscles is gradually building up, and I just hope that everything will be fine. And I pray so. Thank you so much.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.